So in lower school STEM, we like to cover life science, earth science, and physical science. We like to do it through hands-on and minds-on experiences. We also weave in a strong component of engineering. I like to have kids discover things through investigations. They use a focus question to guide them through what they're trying to learn. And they use a lot of materials to do these discoveries. And they also record their findings, their observations in their notebooks, questions, thoughts, comments, but also diagrams and drawings with labels, so bringing in the arts wherever possible. It's important in STEM that I give them a lifelong love of learning so that they are engaged and excited about what they're covering to create a memorable experience to ground them as they go forward through their education.